Hey Birds4Life fam, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I clean my bird's food dish. If you're not ready, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. In these first few clips, I will be taking out my bird's food dish and emptying it. When washing your bird's food and water dish, be sure to use hot water and soap to kill off any bacteria. If you have different birds, it is best to use separate sponges. It is very important to clean the surrounding area and the sink after washing your bird's dishes, as this prevents bacteria. After air drying for 5 minutes, wipe all the dishes with a paper towel. Also, you can purchase a dish pad for your bird dishes to sit on while air drying. It will help capture all the water. I will link one in the description below. Now I am giving them their base diet. For my cockatiels, their base diet is KT Cockatiel 40 Pro. My parakeets eat Higgins Vita Key as their base diet. They then either have Supreme Fruit Blend or Supreme Vegetables. My parakeets have Higgins Veggies. They also have Rudy Bush mini pellets. To top it off, they have molting and conditioning to improve their feather quality. Birds are to get fresh and clean water every day. It is best to use purified water.